Hi guys! Experience unmatched levels of comfort and sophistication with the K1600GTL, whether you're traveling cross-country or just taking in the breathtaking scenery. With its powerful inline 6-cylinder engine, cutting-edge technology, and elegant design, this motorcycle does more than just get from place A to place B. It also enjoys riding in comfort and style. The BMW K1600GTL 1600 is a touring motorcycle that will revolutionize long-distance riding. These sophisticated and powerful bikes create a truly unique experience. Engine type: oil, water-cooled, 6-cylinder, 4-stroke, inline engine with 4 valves per cylinder. Performance: maximum speed, 120 plus mph, fuel type, unleaded super, max. 15% ethanol, E15. ROS 95/90ths Aki power transmission. Clutch multiple disc clutch in oil bath gearbox, 6-speed, helical, gearbox. The standard BMW motorrad shaft is driven by a 6-speed, multi-disc, oil-filled clutch to transfer all that power to the rear wheel. The bike has a smooth, quick shift system that shifts gears quickly both up and down. It also has a nicely weighted clutch lever that's great for getting the big bike moving, especially on hills, or if you're just old school like me and still like doing the hand and foot ballet when changing gears by hand. MSRP in the US, $27,295 Canada MSRP, $CDN for Europe and the UK MSRP price, total selling price, £GBP. Thanks for watching.